Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change the background image in Brave browser. So by background image I am talking about changing this particular image that you see in new tab. So for this, just come to the home interface of Brave browser, and here we will be having the customize option. Click it, and here make sure that you are enabling this show background images. Once you do that, if you scroll down, we'll be having some solid colors or gradient, and here we'll be having use your own and upload from device. Click it, and now just select the image which you want to have it as your background. So I will just go with this image and click on open, and that's it. That image has been selected now, and this will appear in all my tabs. So new tab, this particular image will be coming. That's a video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.